Hey, welcome back everyone to Walton Tires channel. Today we have a 5x5 unit we bought. $70 for this unit. As you can tell if you look here, it's been here for a while. There's actually spider webs coming off this bag to where the garage door is. So I've grabbed the broom just to kind of get them out of the way there. So the guy that runs the facility opened the door for me, so unfortunately I wasn't able to open it with you. So the reason I went on this unit is, as you can see, there's this bag here, and there's a canvas here. Also, this box looks like a, kind of like a art supply box. So we'll see what's inside there. So yes, there is color pencils. So it's got a nice gallery. So I'll have to look that up, see what that's worth. Might be something good. So it looks like it's only missing one of the color pencils. Two different pencils out of here. So you got one there and then one there. So it might be in the bags though. But this looks brand new, or close to it. Very nice. So, nice little case. So we'll put that down. So let's see what else we have. So these are probably just drawings of the person's stuff.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Aww.
I don't know. They almost look like they're computer printed out, them ones. They don't look like they're... Oh wow. Very good artist.
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson, yep.
Okay. Very cool. Oh. Wow.
Pretty cool. So let's see what's on this canvas. Oh, we got some money in here. So if you look in there, you got a couple dollars. Nothing wrong. What's that? $6?
That's our toll money.
That's $6 back right there. So nice. So on this canvas.
Oh, Kara's gonna love this.
Yeah, I'm not actually sure who that is though. MJR. Michael Jackson Retro. I don't know. Then we got like a purse looking thing here. Okay. So let's see what we got in here.
Fabric. Oh no, a bag.
We got another little.
Jamaica.
So they probably traveled.
Ooh. It's a nice bag.
Yeah, nice little bag. We got a
Hey, Steelers.
Steelers sack. It looks kind of dirty though.
Yeah, all stained up.
Got some books here. Check inside these books.
The Watchtower. Oh, like
in there.
Bible stuff, like Jehovah Witness type stuff.
Oh yeah.
Mhm.
Let's get this table out here so we can put everything on.
All right, so we got some yarn here already pulled out. Lots of yarn. I always wanted to know how to knit. That's a nice little chair. They're cute. They kind of look like the ones in our kitchen. Oh wow, that is super nice. Your boxes.
There we go.
Okay, front row seats. Here we go.
This box.
I have the same exact book at home. The Midsummer's Night
Living
Dream.
language.
Not the Korean one.
Language Korean.
Oh wow. Oh, they got French dictionary. Wow. Korean.
Yeah. Not sure if this stuff is worth anything, but whiskey words and a shuffle.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's some books in there.
Yeah. Whiskey words and a shuffle.
Hmm.
Not sure what Me Before You. We'll have to take a look to see if
Yeah, we'll definitely look on Amazon for these books, especially the living language one. Is this like a workbook or? Yeah. Oh, she'll leave her a little bit in there. She or he. I won't discriminate. Julia and Julia.
Yeah. Oh yeah, French dictionary.
Yes.
Nice.
Sweet. Oh, Target book. Good little Target.
Oh yeah, 20% off.
Yeah. Give me
Oh,
love.
stepmom. So I'm gonna
Very
get
good.
probably books too.
Yeah. All of them.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Okay.
So.
This is definitely our daughter's future unit right here with all these books and drawing stuff. Like, this is something that our daughter would have for sure. This is right up her alley. She's probably going to go through this stuff before we can even get it posted.
Yeah, this goes to
Oh, wow.
down in town.
Oh, no. Let's edit that out. Just kidding. Ew. Show him that book. The burned
one?
one. No, the burned one right there. Look how
Yeah.
creepy that is. Ew. I'm just packing them up. Well, we definitely have about $70 worth of books here, so that's good. I mean, whether or not we'll resell them for that much, but you can tell she probably paid a lot more than that. Oh, more yarn. That's cool. We wanted to do like a sewing lot anyway to get up there, so now we'll do a yarn one. That's right. We saw AC Moore bags. Oh,
Yeah.
that's one of them.
I think that's the only.
Rest in peace, AC Moore. Little craft store around here that
It's all
is
brand
going
new
out of
yarn.
business. Oh, wowie. That's cool. Really hoping we can get this table to fit in our truck, but I don't think it will. Let's go over here see what he's getting into. Oh, emojis. He looks a little dirty though. Aw, stuffies. Oh, that one's beat up. Is that the bear in a big blue house guy? Maybe not. Maybe I am getting ahead of myself. Aww, that's sad.
That's an old looking bear.
Yeah,
right
it
there.
is.
Either it's old or it's just.
Or they loved it so much.
That has a recording.
He's got a Goodwill tag on him.
Is it?
We love Goodwill. Absolutely.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Yeah, your shirt. And a little sweater. Sweater dress, maybe. Sweater shirt. Nah. Kind of womp womp there.
Yeah, right.
That tugs at your heartstrings when you see stuff like that, because you know it's probably like sentimental. You just left them here. They abandoned them. I see shoes. You see that guy's footprint? Ooh, clothes! I love them. Mandarin. Target.
Jack.
Target.
There
This is a little lady. Skinny little thing.
We got 9
bracelet
million
stuff.
flip flops.
Oh, just like me. Babe, how many flip-flops do I have?
That's really like all that's in here.
9 million.
Yeah.
They look new. Are they new?
Old Navy. They don't got no wear on the bottom at all.
Ooh. Wow, there's a lot.
I told you there was a lot.
What size are they? We can't even say it's. They're,
Yeah, there's little girl shoes in here too.
aw, they are cute. They Melly size. Scavenger.
These are size 1.
And they're Justice. Ooh, they might sell good. Nice flip-flops. Wish we had them last Saturday.
Right, Old Navy. All Old Navy.
Man, when they go on sale though, you get them for like what, $1 sometimes? Anywhere from $1 to $3. I know I get mine for $3 from JCPenney's. Every year I stock up. What the heck? Again, something probably sentimental. Stuff's so sad. That's the worst part about units. Finding like the very, very personal stuff. The graduation gown.
Yeah.
Aww.
That's pretty much it, really.
Oop.
More clothes and sheets.
You mean mask material? Just kidding. Oh, look at that. Hello, kitty. Hello, kitty. One more box to share with our YouTube friends.
Yeah.
Oh,
More
books. Hey. Target, too. More Target. On the one down in the corner. Whoa. Some cute things here.
This book, I think.
There we go. Come on, $1 million lottery ticket. Ooh, is that a purse? Yes. And it's damaged.
Let's see what's in the front of this first.
Love selling purses. Sweet tooth?
Yeah,
I don't know what that is. 20 bucks? I don't know.
$22.
Here, let's zoom in on it. Let's show everyone. Let us know what the heck this is. Cheat day. Oh, there's more.
Yeah.
E-juice. Oh, okay, so for like an e-cigarette.
Is that
Right?
what that is?
Maybe. Whew.
Possibly.
Maybe, maybe.
Sucks about that.
Mm.
So there's just a bunch of purses inside the purse.
Nice. Hopefully someone can sell.
This is a Jaguar.
The Jaguar tag? Like the car?
Just to give you more room, huh? More like a lunch bag.
That's cool. It's a cute little baggie. Oh. We got a name on that, or is it Target? Target.
I don't see any
Nah.
made in China.
Everything is.
Yep, that's all.
That's all, folks.
Got a
So,
penny.
oh, we got a penny added to it. All right, that's our broom. Don't be confused. That is our broom. We did not get that with the unit. We got some more chairs. So what? 4 chairs total, right?
3 chairs.
3 chairs. All right.
3 chairs.
What's
And-
that about? The table's nice. It sucks. There's only the 3 chairs. We got all these stuffies. We got a pillow. Some more chairs. Lots of books. I got some clothes to be posted on Poshmark. Whoop, whoop. After we clean them, of course. We will clean them. Make sure that they're all good. All right. Do you want to say anything?
Yeah, that's all.
That's all, folks.
Not the greatest unit, so. But
Hey, everyone is an adventure, right?
yeah.
So we are just going to pack this up, clean it up, get our cleaning deposit back, and then mosey on home. We have a little bit of a drive, so.
Yeah,
all right.
we know.
So we'll catch y'all next time.
We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.